Oh baby now, let me warm you up. Baby please, let me love you much. Come on with me baby. Oh, oh. Never ever leave without me.
Hi mga palangga, Bibi here, your Alanga vlogger, and welcome to another travel vlog! So for today's travel vlog, we're still here in El Nido, Palawan, and this time we are going to explore the mainland here in El Nido. So I've heard that there are like waterfalls, beautiful beaches here. Together with me is Raj Tail. Hi! Yan. So besides from island hopping, you can actually do a tour here in El Nido. So what we did was we rented a motorbike, and that is for 500 pesos for 24 hours. Now we are going to Bulalakaw Waterfalls. So some of the locals said that there are two famous waterfalls here in El Nido, and one is this Bulalakaw and the other is ano kaya tuning? Nagkalit-kalit Falls. I'm not sure if that's the name, but we'll try to find that out later. So we're already here. There's actually no one in the entrance, so we'll try to figure out the way going in. Alright, so after how many minutes of walking then?
20 minutes.
So yeah, after 20 minutes of walking, finally made it here at Bulalakaw Waterfalls. And what I can say is that it's so tiring. Like seriously, it's something that I didn't expect that we were going to do here in El Nido, but it's all worth it. Look at that. That's a waterfalls. However, it's kind of dirty because Kuya said that it rained yesterday. That is why the color of the water is brown, probably because of the mud from up there. By the way guys, if you're coming here, there's an entrance fee of 50 pesos for you to see the waterfalls. You can actually go up there. Look at them. These girls are from Denmark. We met them along the way. Alright, so we made it back here in the main entrance. So we paid another 30 pesos. Take note of that. So if you're coming here in Bulalakaw, there's an entrance fee at the main gate, which is 30 pesos, and once you reach the waterfalls, that is 50 pesos. So that's a total of 80 pesos per person. We decided to just go back because it's really, the water is really muddy. It's color brown, and I don't think we can swim there. So we just took some nice photos, and then we're going to another spot, which is, I guess, is the Nacpan or Duli. Either Nacpan or Duli. So yeah, let's go. Hour on the road. Yes, it took us an hour. We finally made it here at Nacpan beach. It's Supposedly it's only gonna take like 20 minutes. However, we didn't get to see the signage going to Nacpan Beach. So sobrang umapa kami sa pinakadulo talaga. So we almost reached the end of the road. And so good thing that there were some locals. And we asked if where is Nacpan, and sabi nga nila sobrang umapa na daw kami. But anyways, it was a fun experience. So what I can say about the place is that it looks more like a Boracay, but it's not as crowded as it is. Look at that. There are actually some local stores where probably you can buy some stuff. The sand here is pretty nice. The weather today is kind of gloomy. It's not too hot, and which I like. Kasi sobrang uwitin kami kahapon because sobrang bagbad kami sa sobrang nababad kami sa alon. So we're just sitting here on the shore, the garage, and we're just enjoying watching the view. Okay, this is gonna be our last day because we are leaving tomorrow and we're going back to Iloilo. And look at that. Look at how huge the waves are. We were supposed to swim, but I'm kind of scared. And from here you can see several islands. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there are 5 islands which you can see from here. This place is actually beautiful. If you just want to unwind and just chill, this actually is a good place to stay at. Alright, so yeah, we just had our lunch outside, outside the entrance of Nacpan Beach, because it's actually way cheaper there eating in a carinderia than eating here in the restaurants in front of the beach. So I'm back here, and I think we're just gonna rest for a while before we go back to the town, or I think we're gonna pass by Leo Beach. Alright, so after a few minutes of driving from Nacpan Beach, we made it here at Leo Beach. So Leo Beach is actually the nearest beach from El Nido town if you're gonna head north. It's actually a cool spot as well to chill. Look at that, there's not much people. It's a long beach. Look at how huge the waves are. There's also like a beach right over there, which I think is also pretty nice if you're gonna take some photos. If I'm not mistaken, this Leo Beach is owned by Ayala. Tita told us yesterday. So from El Nido town, you can actually come here for free. They do have a free shuttle going here and going back to El Nido town. Not sure if what are the schedules, but you can actually go to their terminal. They do have their own terminal. Also, there are a lot of accommodations here. We've seen Seda earlier, passed by Seda. Also, what you can see here are a lot of restaurants. What's good about this place is that it has a good signal. So if you're struggling with your signal in town, you can come here. Look at that. Zip line is up. Oh my god, that's so scary. Imagine that. That is so scary. Anyway, so after a few minutes of driving, we made it back here at what's this place called? Manila Beach. So we were here last night, however it was too dark already, so we didn't get to, we didn't get to film that much. So according to the guy at the gasoline station earlier, this place, oh my god, look at that, hold on. Whoa, look at that. Oh my god, look at that. That is so lit. Imagine, from one island to another. That is so scary. Anyway, so yeah, according to the guy at the what do you call this? At the gasoline station earlier, this place is a perfect place to watch the sunset. However, if you can see that it is so cloudy, so I'm not sure if we can, get to see the sunset here. Good morning mga palangga. So we're just having breakfast here, and I don't know which part of Palawan is this, but we're on our way back to Puerto Princesa because we are leaving. If you're planning to go to El Nido, you should check those beaches that we went to because it was actually pretty nice. So yeah, so if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button down there, and beside that there's a notification bell. You can also click that so that you'll be notified every time I have a new upload. And again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next travel vlog. Bye.